So I have already created my layer. Make sure to fill it with white. So I filled it with white. And now go to Filter, Render, Pattern, and then select Grid. And now uncheck the chain icon here, left click. And now I want just to use horizontal lines. So I just need to reduce the line width all the way down. So select the line width and then reduce it. So here it is. And now I'm going to increase the width of my lines here. I'm just going to change the line height. So I'm just going to click on the plus here. And now here you can increase, for example, the number. So like this. So I'm going to leave it to 32. And now press OK. And now go to Filter, Distorts, and then select Kaleidoscope. This one here. And now you can play with all these settings. So for me, I'm going to increase the mirrors. So all the way up. I'm going to increase mirror rotation. So here like this. So like this, I'm starting to get the nice shape. So the zoom here is just going to zoom out like this or zoom in. So I think I'm going to leave it here, 85. I'm going to leave all these settings as they are. So here are they. And now just press OK. And now let's go back to the kaleidoscope filter. So go to Filters and then select Reshow Kaleidoscope, left click. And now as you can see, it's starting to create a kind of pattern here, background. So now just left click on the preset. I'm going to use the same settings I used to create this one here. Left click, so here it is. So if I press the plus key, so left click on the Gimp window, press the plus key. So here it is, and now you can change, for example, the settings here to have a different effect. So for example, if I change the mirrors, so here it is, or the mirror rotation. So left click, let's press the minus key on the keyboard to zoom out. So here it doesn't do. Just to reduce the back, so like this. So I'm going to reduce it here by click on the minus icon. And then here you can, for example, so I think I'm going to leave it with this one here. Of course, there's also the zoom here. You can also increase it. And for these settings, I'm just going to leave them as they are. And now just press OK.